so this video we're going to just go ahead and cut a hole in my fucking roof that I just put on. Seems like a solid plan. So we went ahead and traced it. Now how we found where we wanted it is I went inside and pretty much just drilled a hole as far like forward as I can get it. So, and then because there's like a lip on here, we offsetted that. So hopefully it'll be good. So pretty much just what we're gonna do is just go ahead and send it. Gonna probably put some shit inside so that way I don't get this crap everywhere, because this is gonna make a mess. And yeah, so let's get this thing cut. So let's do that. Hey.
Look at that.
See inside.
There's a hole in your roof. The heck are you throwing over there?
Well, really? Yeah, so I might have tube and putt-putt too. Alright, so got the hole cut. Drops right down in there. So now we're going to, if we can find some silicone, put some silicone around it, drill some holes, and yeah, we'll probably just rivet it in. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's get that. Alright, so what I ended up doing was kind of just welding in those holes so that way they're covered. Now what I'll probably do is drill some holes, get all those done, then we'll do the silicone and put it on and rivet it in. So let's do that. Alright, got some four corners done. Now we're going to put down the silicone round and then squeeze this bitch on. And yeah, I put down some rust reformer crap on the underside so that way it wasn't bare metal. We should be good to go. Well, there it is. Got it in. I'll walk around. Looks pretty good. Once there's a rough scope over, it won't even matter. So, alright, let me flip. Basically, this is what we're looking at. So you got this guy, and if you go forward, it opens. You go back, this thing is a pain in the ass. You go back, boom. So that's pretty sweet. So, yeah, you know the drill, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.